I think the camp has two primary goals. The first is the obvious academic preparation. We want to make that transition into college on the academic side as smooth as possible. On the other side of it, we want to make sure that the transition into college life goes well too, because if that part doesn't go well, it's bound to bleed over into the other side. A lot of people can be overwhelmed by meeting 5,200 people in a matter of a couple of days. What the Warhawk camp allows you to do is adjust to college life with a much smaller cohort. You'll get to know people by their name, you'll get to recognize faces. So when you show up for the first day of school a couple weeks after the camp, you'll already know people, you'll be ahead of the game. Besides the academic part of the camp, we have the students live on campus so they can learn what residence life is like. They eat in the caf with the rest of our students. They get to experience what eating like a college student is like. This summer we have them scheduled to take a number of excursions off campus. They're going to go to the Equal Justice Initiative Museum and Legacy Museum. They are going to go to the Montgomery Museum of Fine Art. There'll be a trip to the Montgomery Zoo. They'll be able to use the Wellness Center at various points during the camp, so they'll be able to kind of take a break and go over, use the pool, or lift weights, or do whatever it is they want to do over there. So in the Warhawk camp, what we'll do is we'll have some structured writing assignments with intermediate deadlines to help students get the gist on what a college paper looks like. In different environments, what does an English paper look like? What does a history paper look like? So for math, what we're going to do your first day in the math prep is we will have you take a pre-test, and it will give us a diagnostic on where a student is at that particular moment in the math skills. And then we'll have an instructor work with those students to develop the skills to make sure that they're getting caught up and they're ready to take college level 4-credit math classes. You're going to have this great chance to meet your fellow AUM students in a much smaller environment.